we headed to Senate Square, home to the Senate House.
Right across from it is the magnificent Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. It's an ornate Russian Orthodox church with stunning domes and intricate mosaics. Camera was not permitted inside.
Then we visited St. Mary's Cathedral, also called the Dome Church. It is Tallinn's oldest church, dating back to the 13th century, blending Gothic and Baroque styles beautifully.
Inside, we saw over 100 coats of arms from noble families. It was such a rare and fascinating sight. We made sure to capture some videos to share this unique piece of history with you.
While we were walking, we passed by the Prime Minister's residence in Tallinn. We were surprised how the house just stood right on a regular street with the people casually walking by. It felt so open and really integrated with the city.
Yeah, and right across the street was the Embassy of the Netherlands. On our way to Tallinn's Town Hall Square, we wandered through charming, narrow streets, twisting through countless corners. At one extraordinary junction where a tangle of streets converged, it felt like stepping into a magical maze, each path whispering promises of hidden wonders.